It's time to make it. Just give it a try. 'Cause you can make it like the old fat guy.
Welcome to another episode of You Can Make It with David Farrell, the old fat guy. No copious quantities of wine today. I'm making a cocktail, so I don't need any wine. I'm making a classic daiquiri. Now, classic daiquiri is different than what you usually get when you go to a bar. These days, when I go to a bar and order a daiquiri, I get some sort of frozen slushy kind of drink that you might find in a convenience store. The classic daiquiri is just lime juice, white rum, and sugar. It's served really cold, and it's a really tasty classic cocktail, and I'm a classy kind of guy. To start off, I squeezed 1.5 lemons to get 1.5 ounces, or a jigger, of fresh lime juice. That's about 35 milliliters for us metric folks, and I'm going to put that in my ice shaker that's half full of ice. Then I want to add 2 ounces of rum. That's about 50 milliliters. 1 ounce and 2 ounces of white rum. And then we're going to add 5 milliliters or a teaspoonful of sugar to the cocktail shaker. Now, what you need to do is give that a good shake, and you want to shake it until the cocktail shaker is really, really cold, almost frosty. It should be almost difficult to hold on to it. And I have here a martini glass that I had put in the freezer to get nice and cold. You can use a highball glass if you prefer. Martini glass is just kind of classy. And then you strain your daiquiri into the serving glass. There we go. Now, you want to make it look pretty, so what you do is you take a slice of a lime and you just cut from the center through about half the lime and put it on your glass, and you have a beautiful looking daiquiri. The only thing better than looking at this beautiful looking daiquiri is tasting it, so let's give it a try. Icy, icy cold. It's got the tang of the lime, the richness of the rum with a bit of sweetness to it, and the sugar just smooths it out a bit. This is a classic cocktail, and you can make it.
I have a good woman, I ain't good looking, but I do some cooking, I'm the old fat guy. So use that oven if you want some lovin', be like the old fat guy. Be like the old fat guy.